Hello, Jim Techmo's new product in, and this is the INKBIRD Wi-Fi Smart Thermo Hygrometer, and it connects to your Wi-Fi, and it's the IBS-TH5-WIFI temperature humidity sensors. You can see all the stuff here on the front. That's a nice presentation. High accuracy, e-ink display, long battery, and you got alert notification, Wi-Fi notification, and 8 functions. So that's the box there. You get the app here, and that's what we'll do when we're setting it up, and the app will look like that. So we just to set it up, we just always, as you do, we get the app downloaded, ready to go. We unbox, and we'll get that done now. Show you what the product is like. So you can stay connected anywhere with this. It works on a 2.4 GHz connection on Wi-Fi, so just remember that. And that's what the product looks like there. It also adopts precise temperature and humidity sensors made in Swiss, premium and sensitive, ensuring accurate temperatures. And easy to read display, smart alarm function, and you can remotely monitor anytime. And there's comfort level emoticon, USB rechargeable battery, and lots of features. So we've got loads of stuff going on there, and we'll have a look here. So we're going to charge the device this way, by the looks of this. So it's USB-A, USB-C, and you get an instruction manual inside. So that's your barcode for your QR code for your app, which we've just seen you, and this is the user guide here. So you've got another QR to get support and look for other bits and pieces if you want. So that's it there. You've got a clock. You've got your product introduction, real-time weather information, and you've got all that stuff for ambient temperature, relative humidity, alarm symbol, and what else have we got in there? Comfort level indicator, and that's it in there. So you've got a couple of buttons to mess around with too, to change things around, which we'll be looking at now. So that's it there. So it does come with some sticky double-sided stuff on the bottom, button on top, and you have a button on the side, and you've got some buttons on the back, change the temperatures on and off, and you can mount it to the wall if you want to, and that's it. So I'm just going to leave it sitting here beside my desk, and that'll be more or less it. So we're going to get it set up, get it running, get the app going, leave it running for a week or two, and come back, show you the results, and see what kind of results we get back ourselves afterwards. So we'll talk to you then. Hello, Sim, we're back with the IBS-TH5-WIFI temperature humidity sensor. So a quick overview doing again. You can put this onto the wall. You've got a switch here to change for your temperature to Celsius, and you've got your on and off switch here. You've got a button on top here that can just give you quick information there, and your USB port on the side for charging. So basically how this works is it gives you precise temperatures, accuracy readings, indoor temperature, humidity, real-time weather info and weather forecasts. You can see there your clock, day of the week and date, and influenza virus risk assessment, which is handy to have, and your different kind of risks, environmental comfort level indication. And this works over Wi-Fi, and you can set your upload frequency in here, like so, whichever you want to do. So data stored in the cloud, and 2 years historical records be kept on the app, and it can be exported at any time. And it's got a high contrasting display, easy to read from any angle, built-in rechargeable 2000 mAh battery, come up for 12 months at full charge. Don't need to purchase any batteries or replacement frequency, and economically environmentally friendly. So that's pretty much it, and it works on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so just to keep all that in mind. So here's the app here. So you can set your temperatures, your message center, upload frequency, your comfort level plan here. So you can decide here where you want to place it and set your parameters in there. You've got an alarm setting too, so you can set these parameters here to whichever suits you to go out of the alarms region, and your calibration can be done through this part here. And you got your delete data, using help, and the device information in there. So up front here is where most things will happen. So you've got the same readings as you'll have here, and the data refreshes every 60 minutes on this one. So in here, you go through the app, you can go through up to a year's information at any one time. So we've this around 2 weeks now, and you can go back over all that data there. We'll have another look at another chart in a minute, the whole lot. Your humidity levels in here, you can see it's changing. The weather's been quite changeable here lately, so there's nothing really consistent there, just going with it. Your dew point, and again you can see how this works here, and you've got your VPDs too. So in here you've got more. Up on top you can go through the shortcuts this way if you want to do so, and in here they give you a full readout here from your dates. So we're up at the 10th of the 1st, so again we have this 2 weeks. So you can get the values back here for the whole lot by just clicking into the information on the page there, as you can see. So up here you can export your data here if you want to do so, and you can set different date parameters for that as well. And then you've got your notifications then up, which we're going to have a look at now, and that's pretty much it in there. So you've normal, abnormal there, and nothing on that day. There's nothing abnormal that day, apart from the only information that we've been getting recently is influenza alerts. So up front here you've got your sunset time, your weather, and your devices in here, and in here you've got your details, device sequence and room management, and your smart information in here. If you want to do that, you can shop and you go to your own profile there, which is all that in there. Pretty simple to use. I'm just going to go back into it here, tap in here, and you have everything here at a full glance. So in here you can go to your message center. So the only message center I've been really getting is a moderate risk of the influenza virus. So virus rate is going to be low, and you pay attention if the humidity continues to drop. So that's really about it for the INKBIRD IBS-TH5-WIFI temperature humidity sensor. Pretty handy gadget to use. It's set up, just leave it sit there and let it do its job. And it's a nice looking unit too, nice and easy to read, and that's about it. See you in the next one. We'll drop a link below to where you can pick her up, and we'll talk to you then.